Okay, we are at 7146 Cedar Street in Bonners Ferry. This home sits directly across a vacant lot, and just over this mountain here is a river, which is pretty beautiful to see. But I'm not going to show you that, unfortunately. I'm just going to show you this house that was recently remodeled. It's got new siding, a lot of new windows, roofing, all kinds of stuff. Okay. All right. So here we are. This is, I'm assuming this is the dining area. This is just where we staged it. And we've got a living room here. A fan light combo. The kitchen has new appliances. The cabinets have been cleaned up. They are existing. The butcher block's been cleaned up too and buffed down. So it's an existing kitchen, except for, this is we got a new sink, new faucet, new disposal. Yeah, like I said, new appliances. Just the kitchen was cleaned up quite a bit. A lot of new lighting throughout the house, new floors. We've got a new electrical system throughout the house. This is the laundry room. Got a large nook here, so we figured somebody can use this as a desk area. There's a very big hallway, and it goes down to a slab where you have 3 bedrooms. So here's 1 bedroom with a closet, and here's 2 bedrooms with some shelves here and a closet behind that door. And then the master bedroom over here. New light. There's a light in this closet here. And we've got a new bathroom. This was all redone. So new dual vanity, toilet, and a shower tub combo. Got some shelves here. Pretty simple. So we step up here. There is a basement under here, all mostly utility, but you can have, I think you can use some of it for storage, but the water heater and the gas forced air furnace is down there. And then here's another bathroom for the other bedrooms in the house. Just a single vanity here, pretty simple. Just a stand-up shower. This is existing, but it was in really good shape, so they decided to keep it. It's probably one of the only things in the house that was salvaged was that shower. Got new carpet throughout the house. And then a couple of bonus rooms up here. They're not, to code bedrooms because they don't have closets, but you can still stick a few kids up here. This room's a little smaller here. And you almost have a view of the river, but not quite. Sorry, I almost forgot to mention that we've got a new parking area right here on the side of the house. And then there's also parking off the alley right over here. Obviously this could use some cleaned up someday, but this is as far as the contractors were willing to take the place. Otherwise, this house would be a lot more expensive if we just kept going. But you also have a little storage area back here. So like a garage basically without the big door. But there's some room here for outdoor tools and stuff.